Hi everybody, thank you for watching.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm ReyRey. Thank you so much for watching. So today, as you can see in the title and thumbnail, I'll be actually following a makeup tutorial by Carli, and you must be wondering why I chose Carli. Well, I chose Carli because she does not only look great, she has a great personality. Like, I feel like she's very humble and she's extremely great at what she does as well. I've been watching her for like 4 or 5 years now, and she's actually the one who inspired me to start my own YouTube channel. And I feel like YouTube can be kind of intimidating, and she actually made me feel like, you know, it was okay to share your passion with people, and that's a great thing, you know, like it kind of boosted my confidence, and I love that about her, you know. And as you can see, I also did a little something to my jacket to go with her look. So this is a very old jacket that I don't wear anymore, and I was like, okay, you know what, let me just do something similar to hers, and I feel like it looks great. So I cut the shoulder part and I plucked it up a little bit. So yeah, if you guys wonder how this video went, then please keep on watching. This is my favorite part. I love the quotes at the beginning of each and every video.
To start off today's look, I'm using the NYX pore filler. I'm applying that on my...
Okay, so I don't have the NYX pore filler, but I have this Ulta Fabulous Face, and it's a pore filler as well. So yeah, it pretty much does the same job. So
I'm applying that on my face in a downwards motion. For foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Coverage
I have that
HD
one.
foundation.
And I'm in the shade bronze. Oh my gosh, she's using her hands. That feels so weird. Oh my god.
And I'm gonna blend it in with my beauty blender.
Okay, so now I'm done with the foundation.
To contour my nose, I'm using the LA Girl Pro
See,
Conceal.
I have that one
Beautiful
too. I have
Blonde.
the Pro Concealer, and mine is in Espresso. Just start out with the nose. And you guys, I'm shaking. I had some coffee this morning. Like, what was I thinking? It's like I can't even make a straight line.
For concealer, I'm using this one by ColourPop.
Okay, I have this concealer too.
You can get it at the drugstore, but it's... So I'm gonna apply this under my eyes, on my smile lines, on my chin, and also between my brows. And we're just gonna blend that all in.
And she's actually pushing the concealer towards the side of her nose. So let me do the same. And I usually apply the concealer on my lid, but apparently she does not. So let's see how that is gonna go. And actually, I learned how to contour by watching her videos. You guys, like, she's really good. And if you don't know who she is, then I would definitely recommend you to like watch her videos. See, like, I'm so used to put the concealer on my eyelid. Almost did that. Okay, and on the chin too.
I'm gonna apply a little bit more right next to the contour.
Is that how she's doing it?
And I'm just gonna blend that.
And I don't have that brush, so I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Oh, maybe this. And she's actually blending the concealer with the contour. Well, let's see how that is gonna go. Maybe I put a little bit too much concealer. I don't know, but how did she do that? Oh my god. Starting to see something positive. Looks like I haven't even contoured my nose. What the hell? Anyways, you know what? I did my best. Like,
to set my under eyes, I'm using the Airspun powder.
okay, I don't have the Airspun powder. I usually use the Sacha Buttercup, but this one is kind of yellowish. So I'm gonna use the CoverGirl translucent powder, and this is in medium, 115. And she's actually using her beauty blender. So let me do the same. No, she's not using... What? Okay, so she's using this fluffy brush. So let me grab one too. She's putting quite a lot.
I'm also
I forgot how good this translucent powder is. Okay, on the eyes.
Chin.
Oh, she's putting it on the side of her nose too. I've never realized that following a makeup tutorial was this stressful, man. I feel pressured. Okay, looks like so far so good. What do you guys think?
For brows, I'm using the NYX Brow Pencil in Espresso.
Okay, I don't have that one. The one I usually use is this ColourPop eyebrow pencil.
I'm gonna shape them a little bit.
I usually only use this to like outline my eyebrows and use a brow pomade to fill them in. Oh my god, they don't even look like sisters. Oh my gosh, I mean, her eyebrows are literally perfect. Mine are sparse. Wait, her brows are like really dark. Let me Starting to look like something. Isn't it better now? Oh my god, I'm so happy. They look way better now.
I'm grabbing my NYX contour kit and I'm picking up this gray tone right here and I'm going to use that.
Okay, I don't think I have that. Let me just use this NYX matte bronzer. This is what it looks like, and it kind of looks similar.
To contour my nose.
And she goes all the way up to her brows. I'm going to use this powder.
I'm grabbing a little bit of this first shade from my kit and I'm gonna contour my cheeks just.
Okay, it looks a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna use this. And this is the Urban Decay Bitch Bronze. Okay, forehead as well. So she doesn't do the chin, so only cheeks and forehead.
So first I'm going to pick up this light brown shade with my
palette is from Colourpop and I don't have that, but I have one a little bit similar, and this is from Makeup Revolution London. So this is what it looks like.
Light brown shade with my
okay, light brown shade. I would say this one. Yeah, this one.
40, and I'm gonna start blending that into my
like she's not even applying like concealer as a base, which is weird because I usually do. And her crease is so defined. Mine is like hella meaty, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but you know what,
I'm gonna be dragging the shadow out a little bit further.
Okay, so this is what it looks like so far.
I'm then picking up this orange shade a little bit and I'm gonna blend that right on top of it.
So I'm gonna pick this orange one right here from the same palette, and looks like she's still using the same brush, so I'm gonna do the same.
And up towards my brow again.
Okay, so she's using a darker orange, and there's no darker orange in here. So I'm gonna pick this darker orange right here from my Morphe palette 39A.
Apply that underneath those two shades, more like in my crease.
Okay, so she's kind of dragging it. So let me do the same.
Grabbing the darkest brown shade just a little bit, and that's gonna go right under that orange.
I honestly thought that following makeup tutorials was like very easy, but following every single step can be kind of stressful.
And with my Morphe M170
okay, so now she's using a concealer, and it looks like she's using the same one.
I'm gonna go right up against that line.
I feel like my cut crease is not similar to hers, maybe because we have different eye shapes, but it's definitely not similar. It's so frustrating.
A little bit of this lightest shade, I want to pat that on my lid.
A shade similar to this one. So let me add that, and she's using her finger.
And then I'm going to go back in with that same brush and sharpen it up.
So honestly, that's the best I could do. Okay, so she's using the same shade to highlight her brow, so I'm gonna do that.
Eyeliner today, and I'm going to line my upper lash line.
I'm gonna try to make it as small as possible like hers. And one tip, you guys, never do your eyeliner after drinking coffee. Like, I'm literally shaking.
My brow, I'm using the Physicians Formula, the Butter Highlighter.
Okay, I don't have that one. So I'm just gonna use the highlighter from her palette because I feel like it's a little bit similar.
In the color Champagne. For lashes, I'm using the Christina WSP lashes. These are my...
Okay, so the lashes that I'm gonna use are these Ardell Faux Mink. And this is number 811. So I have the lashes on.
Yellow Shimmer.
What is this one?
Cranberry, and that's gonna a little bit of that matte strawberry color, and I'm applying that in the inner half.
Matte strawberry color. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah.
So my camera wasn't recording for my bottom mascara. I just applied a little bit of the Airspun powder, and then I applied the bottom mascara, and once it dries, I'm going to wipe with. gonna wipe away the powder from under my eye.
This
Bronzer
is
my face. I'm using this baked bronzer
makeup
by
revolution
Milani.
as well. Wow, so pigmented. I usually don't use this, but I don't know that. It's not shiny. She's not shiny. Okay. Highlighter, where are you? A brush, where are you? Where are you? Wait, really? Oh, it's right here. Okay.
This one's really nice. For blush today, I'm using this one by Wet n Wild. It's called Mellow Wine. And with my beauty blender, I'm going to apply a little bit of this highlighter onto my cheeks. Just a little bit. To line my lips, I'm using Cherry Pie by Milani, and I'm using Creeper by Carli.
I don't have the one by Milani, but I'll have the one from NYX. And this is what it looks like. Okay, and I don't have Creeper by Colourpop, but I have Ambush by Colourpop.
So I'm just gonna throw my hair together, put on an outfit, and I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll be right back too.
So now that I'm dressed, I'm gonna apply a little highlighter on my shoulders because why not? They're showing. And I'm gonna finish
Okay, so I have this e.l.f.
with
Matte
the
Magic
Wet n Wild
Mist and Set
Natural
Spray.
Finish Setting Spray.
Spray on my face. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, I had no idea that following a makeup tutorial will be this stressful, but I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think? Please leave a comment down below and let me know if I did a great job or not. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Click on that notification bell and make sure you stay tuned every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday as usual. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye!